Signing up with Allseated. To create your Allseated account, please visit the Allseated website homepage at www.allseated.com. Located in the top right-hand corner, select the Get Started button. If you already have created an Allseated account, select the Sign In button. Please note that only one email can be linked to an Allseated account. Please contact support@allseated.com if you have any questions regarding your account. Once you have selected the Sign Up button, you will see 5 different account interface options: Venue, Planner, Caterer, Vendor, and Host. Select the interface that best aligns with your business. By hovering your cursor over the options, a short description is displayed, allowing you the opportunity to select the best interface for your needs. Please note, all the features and functionalities of Allseated will be the same regardless of the interface you choose. After selecting an interface, complete the informational pages by inputting information about yourself and your business. Lastly, you will need to create a password that is at least 6 characters in length and contains letters or digits. You will be using this password each time to log into your account. Please email support@allseated.com or access our 24/7 live chat with any questions.